Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to fix something went wrong. Please try again these sessions on Messenger. In order to eliminate the error, we have gathered some workarounds that you can use to eliminate the issue within a few moments. First, what you need to do is to go on the settings on your phone, and then you need to scroll down and select apps. After that, go on manage apps, type the name of the app, for example Messenger. Go on Messenger, and now as you can see you have more options. First, go on clear defaults. As you can see here, I have no defaults clear, but if you have it, go and clear it all. Now guys, go back, and first, as you can see on my right side, on the third section I have clear data. Go on that and go on clear cache. Go OK. Now guys, go back and it should be resolved this problem. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and share the video. See you soon.